is Eric Stanball, and I'm the service manager with Zimmerman Plumbing and Heating. Today we're going to talk about how to change your batteries in your thermostat. Here's a setup with a few different style of thermostats that have batteries. The best way to recognize or know if your thermostat can or does need a battery change is watch for an indicator illuminated here in your display screen. It will say low battery. For this particular model thermostat, you just press down, pull out, and you can see it takes two AAA batteries. Some thermostats you'll totally have to remove from their sub base from the wall, just as simply as pulling straight out. And in the back takes two AA batteries. Just be careful when you're lining it up that you don't bend the pins in the back, and just press it on so it seats firmly. Again, another style thermostat, just be careful pulling it off, and on the back side again takes two AA batteries. Always refer to your installation manual for your thermostat, or if you have any additional questions or concerns, don't hesitate to call us here at Zimmerman Plumbing and Heating.
Zimmerman.com